welcome back to another episode. And today I've got my man here, Smokin' Sensei. That's at Smokin' Sensei. He's the barbecue pit master, Hill City Chop House. You might have heard of him. If not, well, let's be real, you probably haven't. I'm not gonna talk too much trash because his barbecue is the best that you'll ever have. No free. Switching gears, we're doing a challenge today where we're gonna go fishing, and we're at Home Depot where we have to build our own raft. We do get to use our own fishing gear, but we've got a $100 budget to build the best raft that we can to get out on the water and go fishing. And today, it's just biggest fish. That's gonna rule out the perch, all the little guys, all the easy stuff. This is gonna be big bass, baby. Or, I mean, if you're down for a catfish, that's not really my speed.
You said biggest fish. It's just any fish that's the biggest.
Biggest fish. We're gonna have 10 minutes to spend $100 inside Home Depot, on top of not getting kicked out for filming, because they usually don't like that. 10 minutes, grab your stuff, let's go. Hold it to the chairs like you fix that up. Okay, we're inside the store. We've selected our carts. He has a pretty good idea of what he says he's gonna do. I am going to just wing it and figure this out as we go. I have a couple of supplies that I know for sure that I'm gonna get. That says powering off. Why?
I don't know, man. I just turned it on, hit power.
Power. What does it say?
It's dead.
No, it's on.
Full battery. No, it's recording. We're good to go.
A few moments later.
All right, how about time starts now?
Hey, go that way.
All right, doing the math of what I've got left. I'm at $12, so I've got about $80 left. Off to a good start. Looking for a piece of wood that I can use to sit on. This is gonna basically be like my chair piece, but geez, this is all expensive. I think I can make this work right here. This particle board. Yeah, I can make this work. All right, need some screws.
I just need my PVC pipes and I'm ready. And a drill bit.
What'd you get?
Hey, dude, the missing piece. I almost forgot about it. I don't even know what our time is. I don't even need
I'm thinking something like these that I can kind of put together and make a raft out of. If this comes with a lid for $10, I can probably make those work. And yeah, that's what I'm going with. I'm gonna do, I think 4 of these would work. So I'm gonna get 4. And then to make it airtight, I'm gonna use spray foam. And what am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know. I can't stop moving though. Got it.
Sitting here waiting. Still got 5 minutes left. I got my boat stuff.
I'm gonna get, that's 5. I don't think I'll need this many. I'm not stalling, I'm heading that way right now. Where are you?
He's
Where are
at the
you?
front.
Okay. This phone will not stop ringing. Dustin's pulling in, and he definitely has minimal stuff here. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this is a fail.
This is gonna be so good. I'm over already. All right, let's take everything off.
Oh, wait, what are you at?
132.
Oh, you aren't even close, dude.
Yeah, this isn't good.
He has to put stuff back. Oh. He didn't even have enough to begin with, and he has to put stuff back. All right, I'm gonna let him move, and I'll go here. Hey, I only got a piece big enough for what I'm gonna need to stand on.
He said he wants a whole platform.
That's fine. But how's that working out?
108.
All right, perfect.
Oh, great. And he's saying that these don't float. Like, what do you mean it doesn't float? I know it'll float.
Everything floats.
Everything floats. Right in there, coming through.
In case, I can take them off if I need to, but I just wanted to make sure that I spent all my money.
Oh, come on, let's see where we're at.
Oh, you're close.
Yeah. What screws that?
You hear that? It's a little damage, so she's gonna.
No, not a chance.
What are we at?
87, 87.
95.12. All said and done. That was perfect. Let's go.
100.8.
You're 8 cents over, dog. Where?
Albert says wood doesn't float. He also said PVC pipe doesn't float. I beg to differ. All you need is a little rope, a little bit of love. He literally said wood doesn't float. He said this doesn't float. I'm not real sure about PVC pipe, but I feel like it's gonna float. I see it floating around all the time. We'll figure this out. Couldn't get the caps. We're gonna be open-ended. Open-ended pontoon floating, but it's gonna work. I know it is.
It's going to tell. Our shopping spree is over. Headed to the lake.
And then we get to throw all this in Albert's truck. I don't mind if you scratch it, just throw it all in there. We're good, thank you.
I've got some. Holy moly, it's hot in Texas. It says it's 96. It said it's gonna be 100 today. Luckily, we're going to the lake. Just a quick recap of what went down in Home Depot. I got everything that I need, I truly believe, because I am an engineer by imagination. My boat is definitely gonna work. Dustin's, the thing about Dustin's and Dustin himself, he actually went to school for engineering, at least on some degree. His level of confidence in his boat, I'm just gonna say, he's overly hopeful. I was gonna say that I'm not gonna say that his boat isn't gonna float, but this dude is gonna be fishing from the bank. Oh, I almost feel bad because like we just completely wasted $100. But you know, sometimes, you know, life lessons aren't free. Sorry about you.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
All right, guys, we've made it to the lake. We've strung our stuff out. Now it's time to build a boat. I'm pretty confident in mine. Like I said, what are you thinking?
I'm extremely confident in mine.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
He says wood and PVC pipe don't float. I beg to differ. I'm not real sure. We're about to find out.
I'm just saying that PVC pipe does float, wood does float, a leaf will float. However, when you stand on it,
Who stands on leaves? Unless you're raking them.
as far as the timing works on this, we're gonna go 2 hours. And however, if it takes you an hour to build your boat, you get an hour to fish. If it takes you 5 minutes to build your boat, you get basically 2 hours to fish. You do the math. So 2 hours, time starts now. He's making septic pipe.
Yep, that's really gonna work.
Why do you have 2/3 of the building space and I have 1/3?
All he's doing is complaining.
That's all I hear the whole time. You know what?
Move. This is fine. I'm just gonna park
this
on
is
it.
where it's gonna
And
get
when you need it, you're gonna be in trouble. Thank you. Hey.
That was funny. All right, Dustin, give me the lowdown.
Listen, if this doesn't work and I'm gonna try a couple times. If I can't get this to go through and get to this other hole, If he finishes that, I'll be cool. I can use a couple more, drill a couple more holes and make it bigger. If not, I'm just gonna loop him around and we're gonna tie him tight and belly wrap the pipe and we'll be ready to rock.
What's your plan?
I'm building a little mini pontoon. I went a little bit over budget by 8 cents. I do need a sail. I do not have one, so therefore I will be paddling. It's not very windy today anyways. But yeah, it's gonna be my plan is to go out there and relax on this nice flotation device and catch some fish.
Almost not. What I'm doing is I'm using these guys as my pontoons. I'm probably gonna end up spray foaming them just to keep them airtight completely. I don't think that they'll even sink that deep, but just in case, I don't want them to take on any water. But I bought just this 2x4 foot piece of plywood here because that's all I'm going to use to sit on. And since I don't have a tape measure, I know this is 4 foot wide, and I can at least use this as my measuring device. I think Dustin's going to be wanting some of this to fill his ends, but he drilled these other holes for the rope, so never mind.
You've got a little bit of a mess on your hands with all that foam.
Well, once that dries, that'll just pop right off. So I'm not worried about it. For anybody in the video saying like, oh, he's messing up that dock. Well, it's my dock to mess up, so just throwing that in there. We ain't vandalism him and vandalism.
And just like that, the boat is born. One small step to that grand prize.
What are you searching for over here?
Well, since he's using the drill, I'm just gonna go ahead and start rigging up some other stuff that I want to fish with.
Got those in. Now we come on downhill. This is where it's gonna get a little tricky, okay?
Ooh.
Because I drilled my holes in the wrong spot. But you know what's good about this? All I need to do is horseshoe this around and we're there.
How's
That
your
was
sewer pipe working out?
oh, really well.
Great.
You done with that drill?
Well, maybe.
Oh my gosh, those are so hot.
Dustin, it appears you've taken the more simple route.
Yeah.
Less is more type of deal.
That is correct. Yeah, I got more surface space over here. This guy's gonna be standing on a little bitty, I don't know what you would call that. And I'm gonna have a full 4x8 platform to just bounce around. There's so much room for activity. I could probably have a dance party while I'm out there.
I'm gonna need you to put up a photo on the screen of those little, what are they called? The little water mats that you like unroll off the back of your boat, lily pads. And somebody's standing on one of those, and then we'll see what Dustin looks like standing on his. And I'm going to be willing to bet that it is very, very similar. Gosh, do not miss an ounce of this going in the water, please.
Oh yeah, man.
I'm done.
You're done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Are you launching it?
Yes.
Are you expecting to catch a bass?
That's all I'm fishing for is a bass, yes. Now, if I end up putting an actual live worm on there, there's no telling what will reel in, you know, because perch go for those, catfish go for those. I'm really trying to go for a bass.
Can you use stuff off the land?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
You just adding extra flotational devices?
No, a little cross brace here in the middle.
No.
Well, I was gonna put a fishing pole holder on there, so I kick back, take a nap. My poles are too big for these holes.
All right. Okay. So, gonna do an old, what they call Texas rig. I think that's what this is.
They'll let you know in the comments regardless.
Whatever this is, that's how we fishing it. All right. Yeah, you have a big platform. Well, that's gonna sink, so never mind.
Boy.
So we're dropping in at the same time.
Well.
Oh yeah. Wait till he gets on it. Remember the lily pad?
I haven't decided a name for her yet.
I'm gonna name mine Good. There's a worm in my pocket. Alright. I really want to like set this down gently just because it's not, I mean it's good, but
Oh my gosh, it is so hot on my feet.
yeah baby.
Oh my lord.
God dang.
You gotta disperse. Hey, I need that oar up there, please, sir. You gotta disperse. Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
Will you grab the yellow one for me over there? This is not me saying. Thank you, sir. Would you hand me the worms too? Since
Yeah, I got some right here.
hey, where's your boat going? What about your boat, dude?
This is going great.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's probably not gonna go very far.
I mean, it's floating. You weren't wrong.
Told you.
Yeah. Remember the leaf in the water? And then they float too?
There's still a chance. I just gotta work out some issues.
Well, we all got issues.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You left without your oar.
Gosh, dang it, hurry, hurry, toss it to
Nope,
me.
we all got issues.
We all got issues.
Hey, really, man, I don't even need my oar. Golly, Broham.
This is pretty
I'm
nice.
sorry.
Alex, yours is.
Hey, hold on, time out. I might want to go fishing on that one with you.
That's not how this works.
Yeah, bring that over here. See,
Hey.
if you lay your weight out just right,
Can we just talk about
how it's floating.
my boat, dude? Well, see you later.
Well, Dustin.
Well, I mean, we could fish from this, or we could just get in a kayak now.
Well.
No, you have the bank.
No.
Because otherwise, if you catch a fish, then it's just going to be classified as a foul.
Dustin.
Yeah.
How about you, when he's not looking,
Put it on a kayak.
put it on the paddleboard?
Hey, use some of my foam to spray in there. It'll take 5 minutes for it to set up.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
My course of action here is I've got one line out with the worm, and I've just got a little spoon on right here that I'm just gonna kind of try to work also. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not a monster. Not a monster. Oh, but it's a good sized fish. Or it's a fish. And it's a bass. Oh, Pete, calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. Alright, calm down. You put that hook to my thumb and be real mad at you. Not a bad bass here. There you go, little guy. And go on. Be free.
Listen, I'm not sure if this is working or not. Not really tech savvy or whatever. Fine camera. So I'm gonna let y'all know, first fish update. It's a little guy, but it's a start. Feel pretty good about it. I'm gonna let this one go and get its mama. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go to this limb over here. Big bass like to hang out at the limb. They called it the big bass limb hang out over here. He's gonna get it.
All right, well, I'll tell you, it is blazing hot out here. I don't know, I've probably cast this thing 5,000 times since catching that bass, and it feels like it just hasn't even been one other bite. Like, there could have been some bites, there could have been some snags. I'm unsure. Dustin, he looks like he's killing it over there. So, I don't know, we've still got about 20-30 minutes left in this challenge. We're gonna have to just add them up. So, hang tight.
Couple casts if I don't get a bite. We're gonna go with the old 1-2 bobber method.
Bobbers never hurt.
There's nothing wrong with it. This right here. And then you're just gonna want, I mean, what's the worst that could happen? We get a little bitty bite. What we gonna get? Update is we're floating just fine here. I don't know why you thought this wouldn't come afloat. All it needs is a little bit of love, a little bit of positive reinforcement, and then here we are. Just waiting on a fish now. Oh, hold on, safe video. Oh, you just got my worm. You hear it?
Oh, yeah. Wait.
It's pulling you good.
I'm hung up. Yeah. That ain't no fish. Dude, I felt it. Did you even see me? I even gave it like an extra.
It was, well, I was like, it's pulling you good.
Dude, I gave it an extra hook set too, man, just to make sure that it was in there. And now, oh, look. Fish on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, good little bass. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Live worm. Oh, come on, buddy. And he goes, if you can see. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so we're officially out of time. I don't know. I'm not a judge, so I was a competitor. So Dion, you're gonna have to be the one that's just gonna say who is the winner of the competition.
Well, I would say that the winner of building the boat is definitely Alex. But the fisherman may be Dustin.
Wait, why? All right.
Okay,
I combat the
Alex.
judges.
I honestly like.
Making you the judge.
Yeah, no, it's okay. And to be honest, I kind of feel sorry for Dustin. I mean, look at the guy. Look at what his situation here. So, you know what? We're going to give Dustin the award for the most spirit. The most heart. All right. So, if you like this competition, subscribe, drop some comments, let us know, hit the like button. You know all the things, exactly how this works. So, just do those things to help us out and inspire us to continue to make more videos like this, because we're out here sweating our butts off, grinding. I'll be honest, this was an absolute blast. And stand by, because if you can see the kayak over there behind me, we're about to make a terrible decision and ride it down those curved rocky stairs into the water. So it's race weekend this weekend. It's the last event in Denver ever. And it's, what's today? Tuesday?
October.
So it's Tuesday, and we're going to Denver on Friday, making qualifying runs. So let's just see if we can do this without getting hurt. Stand by. Here the thing is that since Dustin lost the challenge in a sad fashion, he has to go down first. I manually ran this down the other day. You want to do a test run? I can like kick it and see what, like, so you can kind of prepare on what's going to happen. You want to do that? No. You want to just take it? Yeah. Just gonna send it. All right. You think so? Well, it might kind of be in a perfect spot where it kind of helps hold you.
It, but I don't want to mess up the bumper, you know?
Oh, you won't.
Okay.
TRX, dude. Yeah, dinosaur. Your oars backwards. Not that you're really paddling.
No. You know that this is the way you're supposed to have it?
Yeah, for sure. All right.
Not gonna lie, I was worried there for a second.
I thought you were hitting the wall
Uh-huh.
with your face.
Me too.
That went just bad enough that it really makes me apprehensive. I feel like you got a little lucky.
We made it, guys. It's your turn, Alex. That's a great starting point, though.
Yeah, I went under a little bit when I landed.
Can we move my truck?
What are you doing?
In a different spot.
No. You just gotta go. Sick of it.
Okay. Gosh dang it.
Well, just watch out for the bottom right corner. That's all.
I think I should put these backwards like you had them, since that worked out.
Yeah, it worked out good. Yeah, you got this.
Yeah, I'm ready. Hey, I'm going on my own.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
Money, baby! Let's go!
Dude, it was so perfect. And it just went so fast. Dude, I'm kind of getting burnout on winning today. He'll be that guy. Nah, I'm humble. I'd like to thank everybody that believed in me.
Hey, remember you went second.
I earned that second position.
Oh, you're soaked.
Oh yeah, no, like, I feel like it got me good.
See you next time on.
Anything fast? Anything fun? Anything fishing?